Our 220 voltage stainless steel commercial meat grinder. First off, the overall dimensions. Length of 20.5 inches and a depth of 33.5 inches. Overall height, we have 38.25 inches. In the front, where the meat will dispense, we have a total of 12 inches in length. Measurements for the top of the station to dump in the meats. We have a depth of 29 7/16 by 16 inches in length. Included will be your faceplate, your knife, along with your pusher, all needed to dump in your meats for it to dispense to the front. Coming to the side, we have our plate with technical information, power, start and stop, and the 220 voltage that's required to be hardwired. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.